What I have here is an Autel Evo II Pro 6K drone, and it's one of the latest drones out there. And so this is one of the more latest and greatest drones you could get for a good bang for buck. What I ordered here was the Evo II Pro and accessory bundle. So with it, you get an extra battery, some spare props, and a waterproof case to carry around with. Much better than those styrofoam cases you get from DJI, which was what I upgraded from actually to this drone. Last drone I had was a Phantom 4 Pro, and that was a very decent drone to work with, despite the fact that the usual cameras I use a Blackmagic camera, so room of raw video is kind of nice. But then when you get stuck with compressed H.264 video, one can feel like their hands are a little bit tied when grading, but still doable, especially when you have 10-bit color. This drone does support 10-bit color. Let's open this up. Of course it's upside down. Ugh. Very nice to have a proper suitcase for these. Great, just give me another second. Time for the reveal. But wait, hold up. I can't help but notice how nice it is to open these up rather than cranking in your hand here and feeling like your wrist is gonna get ripped off while you're pulling these up and maybe punching yourself in the face. You got these little tabs here you can now pull on to more easily open this up. That's a huge plus, I'd have to say right off the bat. Wow, okay. And it's even got room for, you know, getting more batteries down the road. So this thing is set and kind of future-proofed a little bit. You've got nice convenient spaces for everything that's needed. Now I haven't had foldable props before with the DJI 4 Pro Plus, those props, solid. What is this? Oh, so with this package comes a little organizer. If you are going on extended amounts of recording, well, before getting back to your desk, you got a little organizer here. Memory cards into, you got a single space for an SD card, and then you got micro SD card spots. All right, so one drawback and one thing I'm going to miss compared to the DJI Pro Plus is the included screen with your controller. Okay, all right, you unfold it like this. Let's just pull the rest of the stuff out from down here. Looks like micro USB is still being used. This really feels like a video game controller, I have to say. You got a little kind of R and L trigger sort of things here, and one does photo and one does video record. This is a very good controller, and so it does have a built-in display. What this showcases, maybe it does also show a feed. If so, great. Let's see that drone. Wow, all the other guys talking about this weren't kidding. This got a little bit of weight to it, but look how portable this is. I could confidently actually put this in a backpack still, and then take it somewhere on one of my adventures or even a hike. This is what I've been waiting to do for the last year and a half, to be able to hike somewhere without a suitcase and have a drone this powerful. Seeing that promo video, it looked like, you know, it could handle some weather. So it would be also cool to be able to get some rain or snowfall. This is so smooth, so smooth. I can't get, it was about 3 years ago I got the other drone, and so a lot can change in that amount of time. It's a centrifugal force and just enough to keep these apart where it's gonna give lift. You would think, because these are foldable, you know, there'd be enough drag in this, but interesting. Very, very interesting. Now these are also supposed to be able to come off easy. Yeah, you don't want to be able to fuss with putting on propeller blades if you got something that you're suddenly seeing and you want to try and whip out your drone as quickly as you can. here we got our nice little 6K camera. And compared to your usual half-inch sensor, this is going to be a full inch. I will be liking to get some more lower light scenes, especially at sunset or afterglow. I always find the atmospheric colors to be quite vibrant at those hours. I'm really liking to see how effective this is for city lights. Let's check out what kind of footage this thing can do. So I will be making a second video following up to this unboxing to more give out the specifics and technical specifications. I will leave a link down below and you know, show off more footage. Yeah, if people are curious enough to want to know how I get the footage to look how it looks, because what I do is I normally grade my footage. I don't do your standard out of the box video that comes out of this drone. If I manage to get 500 likes, I'll go ahead and do a tutorial video. Normally I don't do tutorial videos. This is normally a YouTube channel showcasing adventures I go on, and this is going to be a very good tool to bring along. Oh yeah, almost forgot to pull out. There's one spare battery you get with this drone. Thanks for watching this unboxing here, and I will see you next time. Man, cannot wait.